Good day, students. For today's discussion, we will be having another Cradles of Science, still under Lesson 2. Yesterday, we are done discussing about the development of science and technology in Mesoamerica, in which we have discussed there the three important civilizations: the Mayan civilization, the Incan civilization, and lastly, the Aztec civilization. For today's discussion, we will be focusing on the another area, another development of science and technology, most specifically in Asia. So this discussion, it focuses on the remarkable and lasting impact of the two world's oldest civilization, the China and the India, in which, in global science and technology, their contributions have made important breakthroughs, especially nowadays in our generation. It emphasizes their parallel but distinct path, like China's approach centered on practical applications, while India's contributions leaned heavily toward theoretical and systematic knowledge, no, in mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. However, these civilizations, both of them, they demonstrated not only innovation but also longevity in their influence with ancient discoveries, in which still resonating in the modern society and industry. So let's start with the introduction of the legacy of innovation. This presentation, it highlights that China and India have a deep scholarly traditions. It is based on the evidence by their ancient texts and empirical observations. The civilizations didn't just create isolated inventions, but they developed interconnected systems of knowledge. For China, they excelled in applied sciences, just like what I mentioned earlier, more into practical application, seeking tangible solutions for everyday problems. While India focused on foundational theories such as mathematical systems, holistic medicine that could be adapted across contexts. In our generation, in modern era, both nations have re-emerged as a global leaders in technology, demonstrating that ancient legacies can fuel present-day progress. The continuity from ancient achievements to modern achievements, it shows the enduring value of a strong intellectual foundation. A civilization's ability to blend past wisdom with present innovation is key to its lasting influence. Let's start with a cradle of civilization under India. India is not just a geographic entity, but it's a complex civilization with profound historical depth. Its diversity in linguistic, in ethnic, in cultural helped foster varied intellectual traditions. India's innovations shaped not only its own culture, but also influenced the global scientific community, especially in the field of medicine, metallurgy, and astronomy. And India, being the most, I mean, the second most populous country, gave India a vast pool of thinkers and artisans, inventors, brilliant minds who advanced multiple disciplines. In India, diversity in culture often leads to diversity in thought, which drives innovation. And the size and complexity of the society can act as a catalyst for developing new knowledge system. Now, let's proceed to the different Indian innovations. What are those highlights of Indian civilizations? First, we have metallurgy, an ancient India's expertise in iron and steel production was unmatched, producing durable tools and weapons. The Delhi Iron Pillar which resists corrosions for centuries, it's a testament to this skill. Ayurvedic medicine is well known from Ayurveda, a holistic health system that integrates diet, exercise, herbal medicines, herbal remedies, and as well as mental wellness, still widely practiced today, despite of being introduced at the uh, early times. Still, this kind of practice, the Ayurvedic medicine, still present right now. We also have the Susruta Samhita, a comprehensive surgical treatise listing 1,120 diseases, including also the 700 medical plants and various treatment methods, demonstrating advanced medical knowledge far ahead of its time. So the integration of science and everyday life ensures its relevance and longevity under India's civilization. And the ancient medical texts in India remind us that health was always seen as balance between body, mind, and environment. Another area where Indians are very expert because of having a brilliant minds is in the field of astronomy and mathematics. Let's start with cosmology. Ancient Indians conceptualized Earth as a spherical and established a 360-day calendar showing advanced astronomical understanding. They also have this what we called the Mohenjo-Daro ruler. It is evidence of early standardization in measurement, essential for architecture and trade. We also have Aryabhata. Develop Aryabhata is a tao. It's a human. He developed trigonometric functions and introduced innovative mathematical tables. Also, another important person is Brahmagupta. He defined gravity centuries before Newton formalized zero and refined the Hindu-Arabic number system. We also have Madhava of Sangmagrama. He pioneered infinite series prefiguring calculus, still in the field of astronomy and mathematics. In India's mathematical breakthroughs, it often originate from a need to solve a real-world problems. Scientific concepts like zero or gravity also show how universal truths can be discovered independently across cultures. Despite of other civilization also has made a contributions or discoveries with regard on the discoveries of zeros. They also experts in mathematics, but it shows us that um, these topics can be discovered independently. Of course, it's very difficult for us to verify who is the first person or individual who made a discovery of this kind of thing because it's too difficult to confirm because of the date, and of course we cannot easily accuse someone plagiarism given that the means of communication before it's not that good, unlike right now. We're done with India. Let's proceed to China. China, a global innovator. So China, in aside from being one of the in terms of land, uh, China is big, but also the most populous country whose ancient innovations shape world history. Chinese inventions influence diverse areas such as in the navigation, health, communication, and commerce, demonstrating both creativity and practicality. The nation's technological advancements were often motivated by governance needs. They are into trades and cultural practices, ensuring their widespread adoption. In China, innovation often thrives where practical necessity meets cultural ambition, and the size of the civilization can magnify the reach of the technological influence. China is famous with acupuncture. Acupuncture is a therapeutic practice targeting specific body points to treat pain and disease. And of course, it is rooted in ancient Chinese medical theory. We also have the discovery of compass. Compass initially used in Feng Shui for building orientation, but later adapted for maritime navigation, revolutionizing trade and exploration worldwide. And that's the main reason also once they discovered the compass, they took advantage on it, and that's one of the main reason uh, these Chinese uh, people, they went to our country, Philippines, for market tradings. Of course, they studied so much for this compass to give directions. So technologies often evolve beyond their original purpose to serve global needs. Aside from um, technology, we have also health-related innovations which reflect a society's deep concern for human being. Another is the paper making. Paper making is one of the breakthroughs of China, perfected by Kai Lun, making it more affordable and accessible, spreading literacy and record keeping. We also have gunpowder, and this gunpowder is one of the main reason of the discovery of weapons, because they, of course, of the brilliant minds of our people before, they have realized that they can use this gunpowder as a means to kill someone, to means of constructing another dangerous weapon, especially for war. Gunpowder was discovered in the quest for immortality. Actually, gunpowder was initially invented for the fireworks purposes only, because China, way before, they already have these fireworks. However, later on, through the use of gunpowder, it was later adapted for military purposes, altering global welfare. Next is the movable type printing, invented by Bai Sheng, enabling faster and more efficient printing, significantly impacting education and culture worldwide. Now, the unintended consequences of an invention, such as the gunpowder, can sometimes outweigh its original purpose. The gunpowder was originally created or invented because they've seen that it can be beneficial, especially for there is an event or occasion or festivals, that they can use it as a fireworks display. However, however, as time goes by, due to the advancement of the brilliant minds of people, um, they discovered something that this gunpowder also can be used for military purposes. And also this paper making, and at the same time the movable type printing, it's a way of spreading knowledge. The spread of knowledge depends greatly on innovations in communication, and that's why China is more literate than other countries, than average countries. They are very they preserve their culture, especially in learning their language, and they have own mathematical literacy, and they can, the scrolls before, based on historical texts, they are still preserved up until now. Another discovery of innovations of China in commerce and daily life, we all know that Chinese are very into business up until now. As you have observed, majority of the corporations and leading business industries here in our country are majority have a Chinese blood. First, we have paper money. Paper money first issued during the Song Dynasty, facilitating trade and economic growth. We also have umbrella, a practical invention evolving into a cultural symbol. They also discovered clock. So clock is a mechanical timekeeping devices, from using bird's clock to Susong's cosmic clock. It's one way of improving scheduling and navigation. Aside from the clock, the Chinese also has this kind of earthquake detector, the Zhangheng seismograph, that could determine the earthquake direction centuries ahead of modern equivalents. And lastly, they introduced to us the toothbrush. It's one way of showing personal hygiene tools that spread globally. So everyday objects often have a profound historical origins, just like the toothbrush that we use every day. And of course, practicality and cultural meaning can coexist in a single invention. Before we will end, let me give you these takeaways and lasting impact. China and India, both of them establish principles and tools that underpin modern science, especially in the field of mathematics, engineering, medicine, and astronomy. Their innovations traveled via trade routes like the Silk Road, influencing distant cultures. They bring their innovation, they bring their cultures from places to other places. Of course, they use the compass, such as the Chinese, in which they help. I mean, the compass help them navigate accordingly of the appropriate direction. Aside from that, innovations like gunpowder also spread globally and profoundly impacting human history and development. Lastly, the core ideas remain integral to modern technology, from numerical systems to navigation. So the exchange of ideas across cultures accelerates human progress. Learning from history, it helps us imagine and create a better technological future. And that concludes our lesson about the cradles of science under the development of science and technology in Asia. Thank you for listening.